2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, power door locks, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, roof rack. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.